Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I'm excited and humbled that you have clicked on my video. May God bless you for that. I have been off for a while, but hey, alhamdulillah, I'm good. It's all good. I hope that you guys are good. I hope that you have been good. I'm here to give you some motivation. I hope that you get motivated. I'm deep cleaning my small kitchen, but first, let's do some hand dishwashing. I have no dishwasher. If you're an oldie, you know how we do it here. If you're new, welcome. Please relax, sit back, subscribe, like the video, comment, do whatever you want on this video other than disliking it. Yes. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. Let's get to some motivation.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Filling up with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no I can't keep scrolling. I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Filling up with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no I can't keep scrolling. I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby.
So you guys, I'll be leaving all the products I'm using for cleaning in the description box below. In case you want to check them out, I'm not using any new products. So all the products I'm using are old products. I've been using them. They are quite good. I would recommend them anytime, any day. So feel free to try them out.
Feelings, it's like
When I'm cleaning the kitchen, I always want to start with the dishes and then clean the sink afterwards. When I see my sink shining, it just motivates me to continue cleaning. So I'm onto the countertop. I will take off a few things and then clean it. I hope that you guys are still here and I hope that you're getting motivated. If you are, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and continue watching.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears,
end today's video by giving the floor a good clean. I prefer using my hands these days. I feel like I get to the corners better than the spin rag. That's just my opinion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I motivated you in some kind of way. If I did, please go ahead, give me a like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. And continue watching me clean my bedroom for more motivation. Until the next upload, God bless all of you guys. Bye.